In this video, you'll learn how to connect Google Ads to Google Analytics 4 inches, just a few minutes, so you can track your ad performance with deeper insights and smarter data. First, open your browser and go to analytics.google.com. Sign in to your Google Analytics 4 property. Then click the admin gear icon in the bottom left corner of your dashboard to access all account settings. Next, in the admin panel, find the Product Links section under your property. Click on Google Ads Links, then click the blue link button to start connecting your Google Ads account to Google Analytics 4. Now, choose the Google Ads account you want to link. Make sure you're signed in with an email that has access to both accounts, then click Confirm to continue with the linking process step by step. After that, configure your link settings. Enable personalized advertising, auto-tagging, and site search data sharing. These options give Google Analytics 4 the full picture of how users interact with your ads and website together. Once everything is set, click Submit to finalize the link. Within 24 hours, your Google Ads campaign data will start appearing in Google Analytics 4, ready for advanced analysis and audience-building features. And that's it. Your Google Ads is now connected to Google Analytics 4, giving you complete visibility into your ad performance.